Somewhere along the line, I hurt my left foot. We found out, we located it was the Achilles heel. And what ended up happening was it had a 30% tear. It suggested this thing called AmnioFix, amniotic fluid inserted directly into the Achilles heel. He knew exactly where to go with the injection. I walked out of the office. He told me possible side effects, redness, pain, a little bit. I gotta say, I had not one side effect, not one. I mean, to be honest, after about the 30th day, 25th day, I was running on the treadmill at 12 miles an hour with this hard boot on, so it didn't stop me at all, what I had to do. I noticed after around the second week, the pain started to go away. So this is, to me, was an absolute amazing procedure, and I recommend it to anybody. I had no side effects.